When they say it's an Igbo coup, they meant Igbo officers were more in participation in that coup, especially among the five majors. Meanwhile, among the five majors, we have Adewola Ademoyega. Ademola Ademoyega. That name does not sound Igbo. But that is not why we are here now. Igbo coup, they say. The major participant in that coup, Nzeogwu, Ifeajuna, were more prominent. Just like Ademoyega. Now, why would they call it Igbo coup? Let's look at this. Ifeajuna is from Onitsha. And Onitsha is more like Anioma. Onitsha in Anambra State is almost same with Onitsha in Delta State. They have some links. They have some, they are related. So Ifeajuna from Onitsha, Anambra State. We were divided. The letter they said Onitsha, this belongs to Anambra. Maybe because of the Niger River that demarcated them from their brothers or our brothers in Delta. Now Nzeogwu is from Opanam, still in Anioma, Delta State. Now they say it's an Igbo coup because Nzeogwu was involved, because Ifeajuna was involved, and some two other people, plus Ademoyega. Ademoyega, because among the five majors, Ademoyega is just one single Yoruba that was mentioned. Remember, we have people like Atompela, Hassan Katsina. There are many of them. Even Obasanjo confirmed this. So they say it's an Igbo coup, mainly because of these two forces, Ifeajuna and Nzeogwu. They say it's an Igbo coup because of Ifeajuna and Nzeogwu. Now they want to, these people argue senselessly. They come to Onitsha, they tell you, Onitsha is not this, Onitsha is not Igbo. Yet, because of certain people, they said it's an Igbo coup. They say they argue Delta State is not Igbo. Meanwhile, for the sake of this coup, we know what happened in Delta State. And by the way, the Biafra War, let's look at it. The people who suffered the most casualties were from Asaba in Delta State. You remember the Asaba massacre? So these people are involved in all of this, and because of their participation, it was called Igbo this, Igbo that. But these are same people who are coming to tell us Delta State is not Igbo. They even come to Onitsha. Onitsha is not, Forgetting that we have Onitsha in Ebonyi. Onitsha in Southeast, not just Ebonyi. Then even the Onitsha in Delta State, the spelling is Onicha. So the Onitsha in Anambra State that has Onitsha was christened by the white people, by the colonial masters who started this division of Ndi. So, if it is an Igbo coup because of Nzeogwu, Ifeajuna, we accept it fully, yes. But when it comes to who is an Igbo, why do you now remove Nzeogwu from Opanam Delta State? Or you say Delta State people, and you even come to Onitsha and tell us they are not Igbos, that they came from so place. Meanwhile, Obi of Onitsha told you they are Igbos, but they traveled, they came back. So you see, these people who are propounding, who are circulating this information are not sincere to themselves. The Delta State people, that's the Igbo speaking part, we are not talking about the Yoruba and the Ishekiri. We're talking about the Igbo speaking parts are fully Igbo. They took part in the war. They took part in the coup. They registered their name. Are you talking about Air Raid General Chuzia, who was a major force during the Biafra War? So you don't minus these people now. Oh, they are not Igbos, they are Bini. Meanwhile, you still with that same mouth, you used to eat cocoyam and yam. You say it's an Igbo coup. What made it an Igbo coup? Can you tell me? Can you answer? Can you answer? What made it an Igbo coup then? You will say participation of more Igbo officers. Who are the Igbo officers? Anyway, I will leave you on this one now. We'll still come back to discuss many more things. Thank God for the revolution that is happening now. Igbos are united. And Igbos are not uniting because they want to fight anybody. No. It is good we know our true identity. And I wish there will be massive DNA tests. Time has come for that. And remember, this is not about any political motive. No. We need to know where we come from. The people who are dividing us must stop. They must stop. We are beginning to destroy the lies. After the colonial masters concocted certain things, some people are carrying on with it in Nigeria. And certain of us are out to unite in Igbo and destroy the lies. The lies that has brought division. And most of this lie, majority of these lies, started gaining ground after the Civil War. Because Nigeria defeated. Many people are coming out to say the truth. The Ikwere, all of them, they are coming out. Everyone is beginning to, this case of identity crisis is beginning to crumble. People want their true identity made known. And I thank God people of this region are participating in this. You cannot divide the Igbos any further. Enough is enough. Bini is this, Bini is this. How many languages does Bini have? Okay, Bini gave birth to children speaking different language. And one of Bini's sons, or several of Bini's sons, are Igbos too. That Bini self, let's check it properly. Is that the true name of that place? Or is Bini only a binding force? Some people say certain people from Anioma pay homage to Bini. Perhaps because of this ancient Bini powers. We had the 4th wars. Somebody can decide to, because you ruled over them, because of you have powers, and begin to give you respect. That is common in certain part of the world. People respect you because you rule over them. That is a pre-colonial days. They give you respect, not because they are from your place, not because they have any biological relationship. Just that you rule over that particular area. So those who are propounding Bini is this, Bini gave birth. No. Rather, you could say Bini was ruling over a particular area. And this area, there are some Bini influence there. And Bini, they kind of pay respect to them and nothing else. Now, they are saying, we have been emancipated. We want to answer our name.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.